Welcome to the Crypto Nest. Alright, so Bitmine. Okay, so Bitmine had a changement in vocation in mid-May, I think, and you can see that now. Yeah, it had a split consolidation also. That was 120. So it didn't change much, but it wouldn't explain really this skyrocketing movement beside the changement of the vocation, right? So now he's piling up. He's a copycat, let's say. I don't know if that's respectful, but he's a visionary. There you go. Like Michael Saylor is for Bitcoin, but yeah, they're doing the same thing for Ethereum. Now we all know, or maybe you heard about it, that Wall Street and all the finance are trying to scale into tokenization. They want to actually tokenize all the finance. Where they're going to do that? Well, if they need to use a blockchain, there are many there, but the majority it's Ethereum, and after that Solana, and then there are the rest. So he's betting everything on Ethereum, and yeah, you can see now that even though it doesn't change anything, technical analysis, we have a wave 1, we have a wave 2, we have a wave 3. It did even higher, went higher than 1.618. So I'm trying to mix in some fundamentals, even though really not necessary. And yeah, this skyrocketing movement, I mean, those are like 5 candles. It's crazy, right? If I put it on the daily, is that 2 days? I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4 days. Okay, so in 4 days it did just skyrocket. It's impossible to see any structure of this one, and now we're having this pullback. Now you can see that the wave 2 was not that. I mean, I was this for a stock. I mean, this is short, okay, and now we're having pretty much start to have the same length. This could be ready to go, okay. And we also have an A, a B, and now the C. Actually, let me go and calculate that now. Here, so for sure, this is it's not going to go well. As you can see, the 1-to-1 ratio, I'm pretty sure is going to be out of. Hopefully, we will never reach that level. 1-to-1 ratio, yeah, 1244. This would be crazy. This would just destroy this chart. Now, the other thing I can try to do, which is a little bit of a sketch though, a stretch, I mean, this could be an A, a B, and a C. If that is the case. Now, the third wave, because it's skyrocket, I cannot see it, but just give me an option to add the 0.618. Actually, let me remove the 0.382, so clean a chart. And so you can see that we could go up to $16.56, but honestly, I don't, it's not needed. Also, we do have the 0.618, but this drop here, it really messed up these 1-to-1 ratio wave A, wave C. Maybe we're doing something else also. We shall see, but it still give us some room. But this is, I mean, this is crazy. It's almost 50% drop, is it? From today's price. Yeah, you see, it's like almost 44%. So not great. So we need to be careful with this stock. Yeah, honestly, be careful with this stock. Fundamental are great. If I look in the future, there is no reason why this shouldn't be doing well. It's working for MicroStrategy for the moment. I'm not saying this is a stock that you buy and then you leave it 20 years and you wake up after. But up to the end of the cycle, this could be great. Or within the 1 or 2 years, if really everybody steps in and tokenize their coins and tokenize the finance, well, for sure that many they will use Ethereum, so it does make sense that this stock would skyrocket. Here was, I just made the resistance here. In a case that price get rejected and we go lower, then this would be problematic a little bit. So I'm going to pay attention of this level here. Maybe I should put it in red or orange. So these are the level I'm going to watch out. Price rejection. We do have the peak here, which is pretty much $70 to round it up. So yeah, if we get there, or no, should I say when we get there, we need to be aware that resistance might be hard and maybe price rejection. So if that is the case, then I would try to watch out and zoom in. If Bitmine gave us a 5-way up, that would be pretty much bullish in my opinion. Let me go and check the RSIs. Daily, we are on the oversold. This is great. I mean, once again, if you subscribe to the Discord channel, which is free, I do share my trades, and I did tell you when I got some Bitmine. So there you go. Pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys on Bitmine. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And yeah, if you want, you can subscribe to the Discord. It's free. All right. Have a good day. Bye.